What's good, everybody? It's your boy Lex Money. In today's video, I'm going to tell you why I'm starting to slow down on buying some altcoins. You already know what time it is, guys. We're trying to push towards 10k. If you're not already, please subscribe. If you have subscribed, please like the video. Let's get it. All right, guys. Now, while some of you are thinking, why have you stopped buying altcoins? I have not stopped buying altcoins, but I am slowing down. We've got some important charts that we need to look at the end of the video. So make sure you are keeping your eyes on the prize. You're staying to the end. You're focused. But we're going to do a little speed run through it because I know the attention span can be quite short. Now, first of all, check out the community tab. I'm going to be doing a community trading challenge, BTC long or short. Again, if you want to trade with me, you can just go and use the link there. But after every 24 hours, I'm just going to put a trade on for Bitcoin, long or short. And by the end of the day, we're going to close it. We're going to see how much we can run this up. And then at the end of the week, if we're in profit, then I'll give it back to you guys. For some bullish news, Bitcoin is now the 6th top monetary asset in the world. Look at this. Oh, the UK. We have overtaken the UK. Listen, the UK sucks. I'm out of here soon, guys. I've been talking to some of you guys on my Instagram as well, and I'm telling you, right, I am trying to leave to be living in a sunny beach palm tree area. So if you want to go and chat with me, then I'm chatting with a few of you guys on Instagram. Go follow the Instagram. But look, guys, we're number 6. We've got quite a way to catch up with Japan, China, Eurozone, United States, and gold. On top of that, Marathon Digital raises 250 million to expand Bitcoin holdings amid market volatility. This is the world's largest mining firm, and it has announced a $250 million raise through private offering of convertible notes. So now they are putting more money into Bitcoin mining. Marathon remains committed to expanding its Bitcoin holdings, which already exceed 20k, nearly at 21k. And I've been seeing a lot of doom posts online today. I've been seeing it on Twitter. I've been seeing doom posts on YouTube as well. Okay, it's pretty scaring a lot of you guys. Doesn't make me feel good sometimes, but we got to look at some of the negatives as well. But another positive is that 1 billion USDT has now been minted at the Tether treasury. And what does this precede? It usually precedes buying, right? They mint the USDT before people have bought crypto, so that when people say, right, we need some USDT to be buying, they've got it there readily available. So this could mean that Tether's anticipating some buying pressure to be happening now. Looking good. And then Ethereum flows are now positive. Right, Ethereum ETF flows are now positive. We can look at some of the ETF stuff at the end of the video for all of you guys who maybe have forgot what it was looking like. But we did say after the Bitcoin ETF, we had a massive dump and then a mega super pump. Are we going to have a mega giga pump for the Ethereum ETF inflows? The weekly flows for ETFs have turned positive for the first time ever. Net 31.5k Ethereum, $75 million purchased last week. And the inflows were led by BlackRock, accumulating 168 million of ETH. Bow. Now we must remember where we are, because, you know, sometimes I look at my portfolio and I look at my allocation, and I've been doing a lot of risk management over the past week, guys, because, you know, sometimes if you're spread too thin, that's not good. If you're spread over too many sectors, if you can't track your crypto, it can be very hard to navigate when we are going into the extreme fear phases of the market. But usually every time we've been in extreme fear, it has presented a massive opportunity. And while a lot of you guys are looking at your portfolio, looking at your alts right now and you're in fear, just remember where we were not too long ago, guys, and how easy it can be to be getting back into the neutral, getting back into the greed. All it takes is for the market to switch in a different direction, and then all of a sudden people want to buy again. They don't want to be buying into the fear. Look at the ETH to Bitcoin pair. It's been in a downtrend for over a year now, about a year and a half. What happens when this does break to the upside, and when we do start to get more strength from Bitcoin? I mean, now you're seeing that Ethereum ETFs flip bullish. This could be very bullish for the Ethereum Bitcoin pairing, and that's in turn going to be bullish for our altcoin pairing, which we need to be looking at, and we're going to get into it at the end of the video, so pay attention. It looks like we had another CME gap to be filling for Bitcoin, and that was around 60k. I mean, the price right now, we've been pumping. I mean, when I started the video, I think the price was about 60k, 59k. We're now at 61k. I'm not getting too ahead of myself just yet, guys. We have to take a chill pill. And then look at the Bitcoin halving history. 2016, 40% dump, led by a 2300% pump. 2020, a 30% dump, led by a 500% pump. And then 2024, 30% dump. What is that going to lead us into? Could it be a 200% pump to 100k? Could it be a 300% pump? You guys let me know what you're thinking in the comments. As much as I am not flipping bearish yet, we must keep our eyes on the possibility of some downward pressure. And what happens when we get downward pressure? We get lower prices, guys, and that could be an opportunity for us to be getting in lower. So while I'm saying, right, while I'm not saying I'm going to be selling all of my altcoins or all of my Bitcoin, all of my Ethereum, we have to be prepared for some downside. And this is the 2-week RSI, guys. Every time we have pierced here on the 2-week RSI and we've started to print these red bars on the MACD, then that has led to significant downside, guys. So we need to keep an eye on that in the short to mid term. And just before we continue, guys, a quick word from our sponsor of today's video, Cryptonomy. Now, first of all, guys, big news from Cryptonomy. They're actually running our $100,000 in ETH and $100,000 in Sol giveaway right now, guys. So all of you need to just stop what you're doing and make sure you do participate in that, because why would you not get free money where you can? All you need to do to participate is follow the following Telegram groups, and remember, the links for all of this is going to be in the description of this video. You follow Cryptonomy on X, and then you make a fixed staking deposit of at least 6 months or join a launch pool by August the 20th, with prizes ranging from $100 to $10,000. Now, how the hell do you make a fixed staking deposit of at least 6 months? How do you join a launch pool? I'm going to show you right now, guys. First of all, I don't know about you guys, but I do not like it when the browser is super light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change to dark mode first. So you just go here, click theme, go to dark mode. Now that my eyes are no longer bleeding, that looks very sexy, very green, very crypto-y. Let's go and make a fixed deposit, and then we can go and check out the launch pool for all of you guys wondering how to do that to make sure you can possibly win 10k, guys. Now, first of all, guys, you can see that they've got like ridiculous APY at the moment on Cryptonomy. I know a few of you guys have used the link before and you've been staking on Cryptonomy to be making sure that you're earning a lot. Again, if you're not already, just use the link in the description that I do provide for you guys. But I don't know, I want to go and stake Solana because we already know Solana is going to be a big daddy altcoin leader. We go and we click deposit. And I don't know, I want to go and deposit 50 Sol today. Over 6 months, that's going to give me 20%. But all the way up to 12 months, I can get 86%. If you did want monthly interest and you wanted to be getting it out maybe every single month, then you can go and you can click this bit here, guys. And you'll see that, yes, the interest rate does drop. You're getting monthly rewards, so you shouldn't be complaining about that. You can click that and you can actually be getting out your Sol monthly. Click continue. You can see the scheduled interest is going to be 10 Sol from my 50 Sol. Could you imagine if Sol goes to $500? That's an extra 5k for doing absolutely nothing. Make sure you read and agree to all the terms and conditions. You click that, click create. Boom, the request has been sent. And then you've also got the launch pool section here as well. So you can see here all of the past events. And you can see the sell price compared to the ROI. A lot of them are getting like 1.5, 2x. Some of them are getting 5x to 10x return on the investment from the launch pool. So if any of you guys were thinking, right, I've got some money to the side and I want to be getting in on some new coins, you can do your research on that. Go and check out Cryptonomy, check out the launch pools, and then see which launch pools you do want to participate in, guys. But you can see the current average ROI is 1000%. The all-time high average ROI is a 57x or 5700%. And there have currently been 334 events with $153 million raised. And then lastly, guys, make sure you're following the Cryptonomy market updates because they are doing the most to make sure that all of you guys are up to date with what is going on in the markets to make sure that you are able to navigate this bull run effectively, guys, all the time, every single day. This is literally just today's market updates, guys. So make sure that you are following Cryptonomy on X, you're in the Telegram, and make sure you've read this post carefully, guys, so that you could be in with a chance of winning up to 10k in this giveaway. Follow all the channels, follow them on X. Make sure you make the fixed staking deposit of at least 6 months, or you can join the launch pool and then you can participate to win. Remember, the winners are going to be announced in a couple of weeks, so make sure you do that now. back to the video. But then we also need to keep our eye on the total free altcoin market cap, guys. What did I say here? I said once we start to get to this level, at this green line here, we could be seeing some volatility. We could be seeing some rejections from this area here. If we do start to break up, then I'll be expecting some resistance at the upper area of the channel. But we did prepare for this, guys, and we did say once we get here, we have to keep our eyes on the prize. We can't get ahead of ourselves. So this is why I'm waiting to see how altcoins react at this level. I mean, yes, we're pumping into it now. It doesn't mean that we can't have a rejection and have some wicks off it as well. So right now we're chilling. Want to try and wait to see this MACD flip bullish again. That would be very, very good. And then we come to Bitcoin. It looks like we're starting to break out of the new panic zone that we were in while everyone's saying the bull run's over. We're not getting a bull run anymore. We're not getting an altcoin season. It looks like we're starting to break out from the median of the channel, and we want to try and retest this upper area at like 66 to 68k. Okay, so we're going to keep a close eye on that. Bitcoin is having a pumpy schlumpy right now. When we look at ICP, guys, are we going to complete the breakdown? Are we not? Because it looks like ICP wants to have some sort of recovery. Was this a bear trap? I want to break above this trend line. I want to break above this trend line. I want to break above the 0382 as well at $7.87 to start to return bullish. And yes, I mean, this could lose some gains all the way between here and here. However, I don't want to blow my load if we could be getting the $6.65 to $6.35, guys. That's it. I mean, I'm going to be waiting to see how the total 3 altcoin market cap does react over this week to next week. We're going to see if this Bitcoin pump can continue. Are we going to get to the upper areas of the channel? You guys can let me know what you think in the comments. And again, if you made it this far, please be sure to support the channel, smash the like button, drop me a sub. Peace.